service task. Bless them with wisdom and let them be a light to others. Lord, pour out your spirit of wisdom on 10, 11 and 12 standard students undergoing examination. Help them to remain calm and to express themselves well. Grant that they may reflect the best of the work they have done and the best of the teaching they have received. Dear Lord, bless the children in our campus with your guidance in their studies. Help them to be curious and eager to discover new things and to appreciate the value of education. Help us to be grateful for all we have. We ask this prayer in the name of Jesus Christ.
Now I am going to tell you 5 tips to protect yourself from the sun. Number 1, stay hydrated. When you are feeling thirsty, you should drink more water. And you should not borrow water from others. Everyone should drink their own water.
இவ்வுலகமே நீரின்றி இயங்காது என்பதுதான் இதன் பொருள். நீரானது அனைவருக்கும் அவசியமாகிறது. அதுவே கோடை காலத்தில் அமுதமாகிறது. அப்படிப்பட்ட அமுதத்தினை நாம் வீணாக்கலாமா? சேவ் வாட்டர், சேவ் லைஃப். No water, no life.
Didn't notice till today. It has something to amaze us even more. Let's check it out. The majority of Earth's oxygen is produced by oceans. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. The Eiffel Tower grows in the summer. An average cumulus cloud can weigh roughly the same as 100 kilograms. Mars has lower gravity than Earth. Thank you.
ஏனென்றால் நீரின்றி அமையாத உலகில் யாராருக்கும் வானின்றி அமையாத உள்ளது. நன்றி.
Number 2, wear light clothing. Avoid dark colored dresses and you should be avoided to tight clothing. Wear loose and comfortable clothes made of breathable fabrics like cotton. Cleanliness is very important during summertime. Wash your hands thoroughly before eating any food. Washing twice a day, it will protect your skin from germs. During the summer, you should avoid food that's spicy and fried foods, fast food, sugary drinks, red meats and coffee also. And you must avoid to eat and drink that ice cream and cold water. Eat balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. Drink fresh juices, tender coconut, buttermilk and etc. Plan indoor activities like garden, chess, painting, crackers and etc. That's for our 5 tips to protect yourself from the summer.
We are repeat again. Stay hydrated. Wear light clothing. Be clean. Eat healthy. Plan indoor activities. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.
கிட்ஸ்லாம் வச்சு நல்லா ஒரு ட்ராமா பண்ணாங்க. எல்லாரும் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்காக ஒரு கிளாப் பண்ணுங்க.